Hi guys, today's recipe is a natural libido booster with two main ingredients that you have right at home.
I am adding some ice cubes, some vanilla, cinnamon, some grated nutmeg. And this recipe is very fast. Just a good amount of grated nutmeg. We're going to add some whole milk. Some heavy cream. Carnation milk. Half of a tin of condensed milk. Or you could add sweetness to your liking. Pumpkin. And this pumpkin, I had cooked them. They are not soft and mushy. I poured some of it out because it was getting a bit too full. This right here is some split peas. You can use any kind of split peas. And yes, split peas goes in here, and this is the booster that when you put it to this point, you don't want to feed it to children. It increases your sex drive like crazy. So I pre-cooked some split peas here. And I'm using a half a cup, and it's not mushy. These are the small grain split peas, and it holds its shape. I'm going to add that in there. And we're going to blend this up.
If you don't want your libido boosted or your sex drive increased, please stay completely away from this shrimp.
We're going to add some ice cubes. Serve it up.
This mixture works both for men and women. If you have tried this recipe, please comment in the comment section and let me know how it worked for you. Here you have it, our natural libido booster. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe. Bye for now.